Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. For that, we will need next to the phone the SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. If you're having a look at the cover of the box, you will find here another little white box. So just remove it like this here. And at the back of it, you will find here the SIM ejection tool. So just push it to the top to release it. And yeah, if you want, you can use also, of course, the edge of the good old paperclip. Okay, and if you're having the phone like this, you will find now on the side of the phone the SIM tray. And the part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. Now you will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paperclip. Just enter this hole, press a bit, and a SIM tray will come out. At this SIM card, you are able to insert next to the main SIM card as well as second SIM card if you want, or a microSD card to extend the internal storage. Let's start now with the first SIM card. Belongs here to the first position, and this is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner at the SIM card. It belongs to the missing corner of the SIM tray, and the contacts, they are below. If you want, you can add also a second SIM card here at the end at the SIM tray. Hold the first SIM card with your fingers with the left hand and insert the second SIM with the right hand here at this position. It's a bit tiny and complicated, but you can make it. This is how it should look like then. So there's a missing corner here at the SIM card. It only fits like that. And the contacts are here below as well. If you want, you can add also here a MicroSD card at this position to extend the internal storage, but then you need to remove the second SIM card in case you have one here. Let me show you also how to insert the microSD card here. So same thing, with the left hand you hold the first SIM card that's not jumping out, and with the second hand you will fix it. And as you could hear, you will hear a click noise, no? And this is how it should look like then. So it only fits like that. And the contacts are here below as well. Okay, and if you're ready with it, just put back the SIM tray into the SIM slot, anyhow with one or two SIM cards or with one SIM card and a microSD card. Gently slide it in, and yeah, that's it. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for your support, and yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.